Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in. Just gonna get this unboxing going for this new MacBook Pro 14-inch. Took a chance on this bad boy. Don't know much about it, but I do thank you for tuning in and checking out my channel. Let's go over this thing real quick here. So first and foremost, this thing looks so fresh wrapped in this plastic. I don't even want to rip it off. Have you ever felt like that before? Like you don't even want to take your product apart. You just like the way it looks. It looks all nice and wrapped up. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. I don't want to pull this tab. See this tab right here? I don't even want to pull that. But I gotta pull it because if I want to see my computer, I gotta pull that tab. So I mean, it's a battle. It's a battle. I got this yesterday and I haven't opened it yet. But let's do this. All right. Got this computer for school, mainly for school and some future vlogging and editing. If I ever, become famous and large and charge in YouTube, then that's what this is for. So it's like a future investment for myself. Let's just hope it becomes one. All right, so let's do this, guys. So again, let me run it down. I got the 14-inch MacBook Pro, space gray, the base model, no added modifications or anything like that. Just the 512 storage, which comes with it, and 16 gigs of unified memory. That's the only one I was debating on upgrading is the memory. But we'll see. I think I'll be fine, but we'll see. But let's do this. Let's pull this tab. Oh, very satisfying. Very satisfying. Oh, you hear that wrapper? Hear that? Hear that? Probably cost them what, like $2 to put that on there? On a $2,000 product? Come on, Apple, get it together. Get it together. I think this was pretty cute. They put my name, because it was a pickup order. So they put my name on here, got a little sticker. Let me tell you a little quick story when I picked it up. I was in a mall and I picked it up and the boy comes out. They had me wait outside. Boy comes out with my computer. Didn't even give me a bag. He walked out with this thing like this. Handed in my hand like this. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this in the mall? People are robbing people these days. COVID era is crazy. People are crazy. Road rage is all-time high. Burglaries, all that nonsense. Carjackings. I look like walking in the mall with this big old box in my hand. I'm like, give me a bag, boy. So he went and got me a bag. $2,000 product. And I can't get a bag? Crazy. All right. So let me turn this here so you guys can see. Sorry, I'm a beginner vlogger, so I know it's not the best footage, but it ain't supposed to be. Just want to show you what this is about. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, can't get it together. Here we go. Voila. Look at that. Look at that. Man. Let's put this over here now. Oh. Again, sorry for the struggles. I'm getting there, guys. I'm gonna be a pro one day. But at least if I become one, you were with me from the beginning, from bottom up, when I sucked. That's how it looks. It's wrapped in the kind of like a see-through plastic wrap. Got another tab to pull, another satisfying tab. Let's pull this out. It goes like that. Ooh, look at that. Get to pull this off. Ooh, that felt good. Let me smell this. Doesn't smell like anything. If you're one of those people like me that like the new car smell, the new phone smell and stuff, no smell. No smell, sorry about that. Let me place this over here. Get to the laptop later. You have your basic stuff. Got your charging cord. I forgot what it was called, USB-C or something like that. Told you, I don't know nothing. I'm just doing unboxing, Sarah, little unboxing thing here. And here you got your block, your MagSafe block, and your basic pamphlet, your instructions. I like the black stickers though. I do like that. I'm gonna put it right on my MacBook too. I do like the black stickers. But you got your literature all in here. I'm not gonna go into that because I don't care much about that. Who really looks into that? Do you look into that? No, that's right. But I do like these black Apple stickers. I'm gonna take this bad boy off. I'm gonna put it right on my Mac. Right on my Mac. Oh, that doesn't fit. Never mind. Looks kind of tacky, actually. I tried putting it on there, but doesn't look that great. We'll leave it off for now. All right, let's get to the MacBook now. Let's get to the MacBook. This thing feels hefty. Feels husky, husky. You got all your ports, and this is what I need. You know, I like that MagSafe. You got the what they call it, Thunderbolt ports? Yeah, I think something like that. You got the headphone jack. I'll use that since I heard the speakers were nice on here. Got your HDMI hookup, SD card reader. I might get the GoPro camera, so this will be nice and easy for me. Just slide that bad boy in there. You got another Thunderbolt port there. Can't go wrong. Got the MacBook Pro embedded in your laptop with the black feet right here on your laptop. I kind of miss having the MacBook Pro label inside, if you know what I mean, inside your computer. I'm weird like that, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you guys agree, but I like when, you know, name brands stick out. I don't want to have somebody go underneath my MacBook to see it's a Pro. Oh, ooh. Did you see that? Did you hear that? Look at that. I don't want to take this piece off. Oof. As soon as I opened it up, it just turned on. Oh no, that's crazy. I thought I had to press the power button. Wow, look at that screen. The screen is beautiful. That screen is beautiful. Beautiful. Get started, baby. Get started. Hello. Let's go here. You got your Magic keyboard in black. I like this matte black finish. This is nice. Got the nice large touchscreen. I'm sorry, not touchscreen, touchpad.
To use English as the main language,
ooh, it's talking
press the return key.
Talking to me now. There we go, press the return key. You got the fingerprint reader over here. I might use that. It doesn't have the touch bar, but who cares about touch bar? Actually, I did care, I ain't gonna lie, but I think I like this more. Because the touch bar might get in the way, you know, I might hit it accidentally and mess up my, you know, my function while I'm using my computer. So I think it might be better for me. But as I mentioned, still learning on this stuff. Can't help you much with this computer. But you guys got to see it, hear it. And if you have any questions, drop them down. Like my post, please. Be greatly appreciated. Subscribe, as I have my future recordings, or whatever you call it, on YouTube that you can check out. I mostly do travel. This is like a kind of like an off topic.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know,
I can't even get by this thing. Let me turn it back on. Oh, you can change your pointer size. I like that. So if you're blind, I'm not blind, but if you're blind, you know, you got a bigger cursor. My vision's getting down a little bit, but it's not that bad. But I'm gonna go with this one here. I like that size there. This is a big size there. Ooh, look at that. Reduced transparency, standard transparency, increased contrast. Now again, I got this for school and vlogging and editing in the future. Oh, they got dark mode. I like that. Ooh, we're gonna go with that bad boy there. Standard. I didn't see any of this stuff on the other people's channels. Have you guys? Because this is cool here. I like this. Oh man, I forgot my Wi-Fi password. Shoot. What was it? I forgot it, guys. I think it's this here. Did I get it? I think I got it. No, I didn't get it. Because usually when you get the password right, it goes in right away, right? Can't remember. It looks like, oh, I got it. Look at that. And look at the battery. Fully charged. Oh, just about fully charged. Thank you, Apple. How do you want to transfer information from a Mac, Time Machine Mac backup, or startup disk from a Windows PC? We're going to do this one. Because I had a MacBook Air years ago. It was like around 2017. But it's broke now. Messed up. Thing smoked up when I was doing my schoolwork. Yeah, it was kind of crazy. I'm pretty excited for this computer, guys. I really am. It's motivating me to do my school now. All right, let's just transfer something. Look for other sources. I think I want to skip this. I don't know what this is here. Not now. I'll set up my Apple ID. You can hear how the keys sound. Pretty quiet. Victor's. My God, did I forget what I'm about to say? Weesh. Forget my Apple ID now? Nope, did not. The password. What was the password? This I probably forgot, guys. Can't get it. What the heck is it? Somebody help me. Here we go. Got a message here. Nope, that wasn't it. Where is that? A message with a verification code has been sent to your other devices running iOS 10 or Mac. I didn't get any verification code. Oh, here it is. Sorry, it popped up on my phone. 358949. Sorry, guys. I had to do this verification code. It popped up on my recording phone, of course. Sorry about that. I'm just giving you an idea of what you're going to expect if you get this computer, or any computer, I guess, that's a Mac, and you're setting it up. These are the steps you're going to go through. I didn't realize you're going to do all this. Create a computer account. I used to play basketball, so that's why that basketball is there. I'll create a new password. What the heck? Your account and password cannot be in the same. Oh, can't be the same. Okay. Change it up a bit. Create a computer account. This is new to me. I don't know what this means either. Again, I'm a rookie doing this unboxing thing, so this isn't really supposed to be serious. But you know, you guys can enlighten me with your comments below. Be greatly appreciated. This 14-inch is pretty decent. I like it. It's perfect. A big screen looks nice with this display, I would say, but for portability, definitely the 14-inch makes more sense, as I do travel here and there. So I'm looking forward to, you know, and that notch everybody's complaining about doesn't bother me. I don't know. I'm just not big on, you know, I mean, of course I prefer no notch, but it doesn't bother me. And now you can't even see it. It's kind of hidden in the bezels. So I like that. Like you can't even see it. So to me, it's like it's not even there most times. So you might get over it. This iCloud's taking a while to load up. Find my computer. We're definitely gonna do that. People crazy out here. They're stealing things. Set up my Touch ID. I'm using my index finger. Apple Pay, set up later. It says keyboard's backlit. I guess at night you might see it. I don't really see it now. But that will come in handy. There we go. We're all set. So I'm about to explore this toy. And again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Again, I'm just getting started. So the boy blows up. You started with me from the beginning. So I'm gonna see how I like this Mac. I'm gonna give it a review in about a week. Look out for that. But right now, so far, I'm liking it. And again, I hope you can subscribe and like my channel and leave your comments. If you have any questions about this computer, I'll do my best of answering them for you. I will guarantee to get back to you, but I will not guarantee I'll have the right answer. Because again, I'm new and I'm learning myself. Peace.